Class, this is lesson 4 about air temperature, and it summarizes terms used under temperature. For example, number 1, we have mean, average temperature, mean temperature. Remember, we have different types of average, and we are going to begin with number 1, which is diurnal average temperature. This means, in short, daily average temperature. This is the average temperature within 24 hours of the day. How do we calculate for it? In case you are given a table like this, a table which shows hours in a day and temperature for each hour, to get daily average temperature, you first add the temperatures received in the whole day by adding temperature of each hour. Then you divide by the number of hours in a day, which I think are 24 hours. Then the answer you get stands for daily average temperature. And the maximum daily temperature, number 2. This is the highest temperature recorded within a day. Maximum daily temperature is the highest temperature recorded within 24 hours. You check on the table, you can easily tell this. Then we have minimum daily temperature. This is the lowest temperature recorded within a day of 24 hours, the lowest temperature. Then monthly temperature mean. This brings us back to the average. Monthly temperature mean. It is the sum of mean daily temperature for a given month divided by the number of days of that month. Annual temperature mean. Annual means the year. Then this is the mean temperature of 12 months of the year. For example, the table here shows months and temperature received per month. So to get annual temperature mean, you will first add the temperatures for all the 12 months. Then you get the total divided by the number of months in a year, which I think is 12 months. Then you get annual temperature mean. Then we have daily temperature range. Range means the difference between the highest and the lowest. Daily temperature range, you get the difference between, it is the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature of the day. You get the highest temperature of the day minus the lowest temperature of the day. Then you remain with daily temperature range. Monthly temperature range, you get the highest temperature of the month minus the lowest temperature of the month. Annual range temperature. This is the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature of the year. There are no averages when it comes to range. Thank you.